Okay guys, welcome back. Posted that 10 gauge turkey load video yesterday. A lot of people seemed to like it. Had 3 or 4 people ask me if I could do with them the same thing but in 12 gauge. Well, of course I can. Happy to do it too. Brand new Fiocchi. Oh, this is a Shadot. Primed 3.5 inch hole, olive green. I'm using two 32 gauge nitro cards, just that's what I have. Long shot powder, TPS, 3.5 inch wad. This is unslit. I gotta slit it myself. And for the shot, I'm using, not by choice, but just some number 6 shot. It's all I have. This is the largest size I have right now in lead bird shot. I do recommend using at least number 4 though. This one's easy to put together, quick, pretty simple. 28 grains of long shot. Got it. TPS wad, these are unslit. So what I'm doing is just a half cut. I'm not slitting it all the way down. I really need to invest in a wad slitter. Hope you can see that. It's just half slit. That one came out pretty well. It's pretty straight. These aren't hard to cut by hand, but I imagine a wad slitter will be much better and faster. Alright. That one didn't come out too bad. But TPS wad, 3.5, 12 gauge of course. Right down in there. Alright, now 32 gauge nitro card. Drop that right in the bottom. Push it into place. It is actually a very good fit. Almost like it was made for it. Yep. And of course it rolled right out. Magnetic screwdriver picking up these screws over here. Alright. That did it. 2 ounces. Actually, I'm loading 1.95 ounces because I'm using buffer too. But 1.95 ounces. Number 6 lead bird shot. .87. Need a few more pellets. .94. I'll go with that. Now, the other 32 gauge nitro card is just to throw that right on top. You could probably use stuff like bingo chips too, or even these 16 gauge fiber wads. That probably do great too, but these are they just happen to be the right height for the crimp. I got one loaded up right here. It crimped really well. Oh, I forgot to put the buffer in. We're gonna use the mix number 47 today. Tonight, I should say. It's 1:30 a.m. See it this way. It should be right at 2 ounces. There we go. All right. You know what this mix number 47 reminds me of? Salt and pepper. Looks just like it. All mixed together like that. Alright. When I'm running this Lee Loadout press, I don't know if you guys have noticed or not, but I don't just ram it down all the way to finish the crimp. What I do is I crimp it, you know, well enough, and then I rotate the hull about 90 degrees and crimp again. 90 more degrees, crimp it again. Add a little bit more pressure each time, and you get really good looking crimps. Nice and even all the way around. Not tapered edge, of course, because, you know, the Lee Loadout just can't do that, which I'm fine with. The only semi-auto 12 I have is an AK-12, and it eats anything. But that's a real good looking crimp. Here's a better view of them. Looking great. This is the gun I run, 3.5 inch 12. It's the Mossberg 835. It has a Kicks GT .680 constriction. I don't really actually like the camo on this one, but I just wanted a 3.5 inch 12 to say I had a shotgun in every gauge and shell length. It's not a bad gun at all. It's actually a great gun. It lives at my friend's house though. My 3.5 inch is 10 gauge. I much prefer it to the 3.5 inch 12. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys.